Dear students, good morning to one and all. Previous classes discussed about the inflorescences, that is racemose type of inflorescences. The first one, racemose type of inflorescences. Today we are going to discuss about the second type, cymose inflorescences. Dear students, in cymose type of inflorescences, the peduncle is a limited growth. Why? Because the peduncle terminate a flower. The peduncle terminate a flower. So hence is a limited growth. And these flowers are arranged in basipetal order or basipetal manner. By means the smaller flowers are arranged at the base or bottom, and larger flowers are arranged at the top of the peduncle. Or smaller size of the flowers, that is younger ones, is always present at the bottom or at the base, and larger size of the flowers or older flowers is always present at the top of the peduncle, that is basipetal manner. But here in racemose type of inflorescence, the peduncle is continuously growth. Why? Because do not containing terminating a flower, and the flowers are arranged in acropetal manner or acropetal order. By means the larger size of the flowers or older flowers is always arranged in the bottom or at the base, and the smaller size of the flowers or younger ones is always arranged at the top of the peduncle. But here in cymose type of inflorescences, the peduncle is a limited growth. Why? Because the peduncle is a terminating flower, end of the flower. The peduncle is end of the flower, that is terminating a flower, and the flowers are arranged in basipetal order or basipetal manner. By means the arrangement of younger ones or smaller size of the flowers at the base or bottom, and larger size of the flowers or older ones is arranged at the top of the peduncle, at the top of the peduncle. That is cymose type of inflorescence. Cymose type of inflorescence. So dear students, cymose type of inflorescences are having mainly 5 types. They are namely, first one solitary cyme, okay now. Second one cymule or simple cyme. Third one monochasial cyme. Fourth one dichasial cyme. Fifth one polychasial cyme. Dear students, in racemose type of inflorescences are having several types, or mainly 6 types. They are namely, first one raceme, second one corymb, third one umbel, okay now. Fourth one spike, fifth one spadix, sixth one head inflorescences. But here first 3 are pedicellate flowers, remaining 3 are sessile flowers. So in this cymose type of inflorescences are having to mainly 5 types. They are namely, first one solitary cyme, second one here cymule or simple cyme, third one here monochasial cyme, fourth one here dichasial cyme, fifth one here polychasial cyme. So discuss about one by one. The first one here solitary cyme. So in this solitary cyme are seen in Hibiscus rosa sinensis, that is China rose, and Datura thorn apple. So the peduncle is unbranched. And bears a single flower. So that is known as a solitary cyme. So dear students, cymose type of inflorescences, the flowers are born into the basipetal order, and unbranched or branched. But here in this solitary sign, so the peduncle is always unbranched, and bears a single flower, and bears a only single flower. So that is a solitary sign. So dear students, once again the first one here, solitary sign. So in this solitary sign are seen in Hibiscus rosa sinensis, that is China rose, and Datura, that is thornapple. The peduncle is unbranched. The peduncle is unbranched. The peduncle is unbranched and bears a single flower. So this single flower to be produced in Hibiscus rosa sinensis to be auxiliary, and Datura so to be produced in terminal. That is solitary auxiliary sign. Solitary auxiliary sign are seen in China rose, and solitary terminal sign are seen in Datura. So dear students, auxiliary means, so some of the flowers are bearing the petiole of the leaf, that is auxiliary. Terminal, some of the flowers are bearing end of the stem or end of the branch, that is terminal. Don't confuse over here. So this is a auxiliary sign, this is a terminal sign. Okay now, solitary auxiliary sign are seen in China rose. This is a solitary auxiliary sign. This is a China rose flower. And solitary terminal sign are seen in Datura. This is a terminal flower. That is Datura terminating flower. So next coming to second one, cymule. What is meaning of cymule? So here dear students, a three-flowered cymose inflorescence. Are named as cymule. A three-flower. This is a peduncle. So peduncle is not branched, but here the terminating of the peduncle to be produced again two flowers, that is three flower. So here a three-flowered cymose inflorescence is found in some plants like such as jasmine and bougainvillea. Okay now, a three-flowered cymose inflorescences are named as cymule or simple cyme. So is found in some plants like jasmine and bougainvillea. Dear students, this is a three-flowered cymose inflorescence. So these are axillary and this one terminal. And next coming to another one here, monochasial sign. Dear students, so these two are unbranched cymose inflorescences. First two are unbranched cymose type of inflorescences. They are namely solitary sign and cymule. Remaining three are branched cymose type of inflorescences. Okay now. So the peduncle is branched. The cymose type of inflorescences depend on the branches of peduncle. Again three types. They are namely monochasial sign, dichasial sign and polychasial sign. Okay now, first one, monochasial sign. So this is a monochasial sign. So monochasial sign are seen in Hemilia and Solanum. So dear students, this is a first peduncle. So this peduncle each time one branch. Only one branch. So with one branch each time. This is a first branch and this is a second branch. First branch will be produced only one branch. Next coming to this one, first and second and third and fourth. So these branches are arranged in zigzag manner. First one here, first peduncle are here right manner. Second one here left, third one right and fourth one left. So this is a zigzag manner. So this peduncle is produced each time single branch, and a single branch of peduncle will be produced after some time only single branch, and a single branch of the peduncle produced after some time only single branch. Single branch of produced after some time will be produced only single branch. So each time will be produced only one branch, that is monochasial sign. Okay, now with one branch each time, that is monochasial sign, are seen in Emilia and Solanum. So these flowers are arranged in zigzag manner by means first peduncle to be the position right side, and second peduncle position in the left side, and third peduncle position right side, and fourth peduncle position left side. So this is a one of zigzag manner. Next, coming to fourth one, disocial sign. So with two branches each time. This is a peduncle. So this peduncle is always each time two branches and again two branches. So each time to be produced two branches. That is called disocial sign. Okay, now disocial sign with two branches each time, and also at the end of the terminating flower. So this disocial sign are seen in Hypomia batatas, that is sweet potato. So these are two branches. This is a single branch. Each time to be produced single branch. Each time to be produced two branches. So this is spread out two branches, and this branch is also spread out two branches, and this also spread out two branches. So here the first generation to be produced two branches. So to be produced three flowers. Branches are here two, flowers are here three. In second generation, branches are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And will be flowers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now the first generation, the Hypomia peduncle will be produced two branches. But here how many flowers are present? Three flowers. In second generation, in Hypomia peduncle will be produced how many branches? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 branches. And coming how many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. So on. Next, coming to fifth one, polysocial sign. So more than two branches each time. This is only two branches each time. But here each time more than two branches. 3 branches will be produced, 4 branches will be produced. So more than two branches each time, that is a polysocial sign. Okay, now this polysocial sign are seen in Nerium. So dear students, this is about the cymose type of inflorescences. In this cymose type of inflorescences are in solitary sign, cymule or simple sign, and monochasial sign, disocial sign, and polysocial sign. Okay, now thank you.